Sheffield General Cemetery is a haven for birds, and we love to spot all types of birds in our woodland areas around our wildlife pond and next to the River Porter. Here is a simple craft activity which you can do to attract birds to your home. We'll be making a DIY bird feeder from a toilet roll. You will need 1 empty loo roll or cardboard tube, some sticks, skewers or twigs. Please don't remove any twigs from living trees. Lard, veggie or vegan alternatives work just as well. Bird seed and string or wool. Step 1. Make holes in your cardboard tubes for the sticks, skewers or twigs to go through. Be careful of any sharp points. Step 2. Make 2 more holes at the other end of your cardboard tube. These will be the holes for your string to go through to hang your bird feeder. Step 3. Cover your cardboard tube in lard or veggie or vegan alternative with a butter knife or your hands. Make sure it's nice and thick. Step 4. Empty some bird feed onto a tray or a large plate. Step 5. Roll your cardboard tube in the bird feed until all of the tube is covered and is thick with seeds. Step 6. Pop the sticks back into the cardboard tube. This can be a little tricky, so ask a grown-up to help. Step 7. Add the string and hang outside. Why not keep a record of all the birds you see nibbling the feed? Top tip, if you don't have sticks, skewers or twigs, just thread the string through the centre of the cardboard tube. Top tip 2, if you don't have any string or wool, you can pop the bird feeder on the end of a branch. We'd love to see your creations, so take photos and tag us in social media or email pics to sgct@gensem.org. To learn more about the work of Sheffield General Cemetery Trust, please visit gensem.org. Have fun!